What's up, guys? Dave from Six String Stanger. Welcome back to the redo. Okay, look. We're back at white. We are back at white, ready to do the blue again, and then we'll do the black. Here's what I wanted to share with you, okay? It's not that I didn't like it, it just wasn't what I was envisioning. You know what they say, read the directions, right? So this is similar to what the body looked like before. You know, the tight crackle on there and stuff. Alright, now these are just sample pieces of plastic or whatever. But yeah, so I've done several of these. I'm talking like probably over a dozen or more that I've been messing around with for quite a while. So on average, I mean, even on my ML Beast, I'm pretty sure I did about 45 minutes, maybe. And this is what you get. So after reading the can, you know, it says to the actual Crackle can, okay? Should have done this from the beginning. It actually says to go ahead, put your base coat on, but put a heavy base coat, let it dry for, I think it said, and that's where I got to 45 minutes. It said 45 minutes, no longer than 24 hours, okay? They said the heavier the base coat, the more effect you will see, and you know, the longevity, however long you want to wait, but don't go past 24 hours. Well, I waited on this one 2.5 hours, okay? Here's the original. This is what the guitar looked like in the last video, and this is what I'm looking for now. That's the Crackle that I want. See how tight this is? I want this. That's what we're shooting for. And so this is 2.5 hours waiting, and that's what we're going to do. But you guys wanted to wait that long. Of course. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this blue again, make it super quick, and then we'll spray the black on it and hope for good results. But we'll do the neck in another video. I'm still trying to prep that up, and I got a good idea with that one. So anyway, this is going to be about the body and trying to get this effect. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I got the first coat on there. Okay, I'm going to do another coat. I want to let this tack up a little bit. I want that thick paint on there. Like I said, it seemed to help out quite a bit with my examples that I did before. So yeah, I'm going to get ready for my second coat. Alright guys, so yeah, I got about 3 coats on here now, and that should be plenty. I just wanted to make sure the paint built up good. I waited maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes in between to let everything tack up good. But as you can see, it's got a really good shine to it. I'm really liking this blue, actually. It looks really good. So yeah, it's really looking great at this point. So I'm going to let this dry for a couple hours. And then I'll come back out, and then we'll spray the Crackle on it. And hope for an amazing effect. So, like I said, my time is going to be about 2.5 hours or so. May go a little longer, but your time is going to be instantaneous. So we'll see you guys very shortly, and come back out here and get this done, and hope to redeem myself, so to speak. I was pretty happy with the results of the samples that I did, so hopefully it turns out great. So here we go. I'll see you in a minute. Whoa, hey guys, we're back. Okay, so got the Crackle here. It's been about 2 hours and 40 minutes. It's considerably dark out now. It's around 9 o'clock in Ohio. I got the blue right here ready to go. So let's do this redo and hope that I can get this right here. That's what we're shooting for. If it's bigger and better than that, then that's fine, but that's what I want. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. Alright, so we're getting some pretty prominent crackling up here. That's looking pretty cool. Definitely better than the first time. So yeah, I like it. I'm liking this up in here. You can see how that's working out. Pretty tight down towards the bottom. Don't understand that one, but that's okay. The sides are still coming in, but man, they're looking good. Look at that. Look at that. I got the fan on back here, that's what you're hearing. Check this other side out here. Oh my, yes. Looking good, looking amazing. All right. Okay guys, so far so good. Now we're gonna hit the front. That's the most important part. Hopefully it turns out amazing. I'm doing the whole thing this time. I'm not doing the little thing around the edges. I think that's where I screwed up, but anyway, let's go ahead and do this final shot and hope that it looks great. So, here we go. Alright guys, so here it is. Didn't turn out bad at all. I mean, look at that. I wish this part was more down in here, but I guess that's kind of what gives it its uniqueness. But these parts here, I'm not even gonna worry about those, because that'll turn out to be amazing when the actual when I get the actual clear coat on it. It'll look amazing. So yeah, another shot at the side here. That's crazy. The back's really coming to itself. I got my shadow in there, but it's like towards the top of the guitar. It was more spread out, but I mean, it turned out pretty good. Pretty evened out. Looks good. Let's look at this side here. This side here is just killer. I mean, look at that. That is crazy. Crazy good. Alright. Yeah, so that turned out pretty good. Really good, actually. So it's all starting to haze over now, because that blanket you put on there, it's really flat, actually, is what it is. So, yeah. It'll all be hazy like this. Like this here and this here. That just means it's drying. Well, I'm telling you right now, when I put the clear coat on there, it's going to be a world of difference. I mean, you can tell the difference here. See this stuff here? It's still wet. This is what it'll look like when it's dried up. So yeah, looks great. I think it turned out pretty good. I think I redeemed myself from the very first shot of this, because I wasn't very happy with it. I should have just did the whole thing before, and I did it a little differently. I'm not going to redo this now, because it looks pretty good, honestly. I was wanting bigger crackle like this up here, but I got it all. You know what I mean? I got good crackle here and on the back side, and then you know, of course, it got tightened up in those areas there, but that's fine. That's what makes it cool and unique. But now it's all uniform. Looks really good, I think. So now we'll let this dry up really well. Already got a name picked out for this guitar. I think you guys are gonna like it. I'll tell you more about that in the next video, because we're gonna do the neck next. So yeah, I got to do some preparations with the neck and get it ready to go. So hopefully here in a couple days you'll see another video of that, and I'll expose the name and everything, or well, yeah, I'll have to because of what I'm doing. So anyway, alright guys, if you like this video, drop a like, man. Yeah, turned out good. I was hoping for bigger crackle, but really, in the long run, not bad at all. I'm not going to complain with that. That turned out pretty sick. So, hey, it is what it is. Trial and error, right? That's what it's all about. Hope you enjoyed the video. Rock on, everybody. Don't forget, it's all about the music. We'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Later. Bye.